Hello everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper. In the additional, we have in the daily newspaper of Friday, January the 22nd, 2021. We have here Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. But all of them, yes, all of them has 25 printed digits. I have just counted those printed numbers. All of them 25 printed digits. All right. So we have also a tectonic with 1 star, tectonic with 4 stars, a binary number 1, a binary number 2. So total of 8 extra Sudokus. And I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. Those are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, 1 tectonic and 1 binary. Yes. 4 out of 8 I will solve because it's too much for me to solve them all, time consuming, and I need also time for myself, and the uploading is not so fast. So if I have a movie of 50 minutes, then probably it takes also 50 minutes or 20 minutes to upload it. So a lot of time. So only 4 of them I will do, and the first one I will do will be this one, 2205. The 3 stars has 25 printed digits. You can check if I'm right or wrong. All right. So let's get started. We have a 4 in this row, a 4 in the middle, a row. So the row below, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 4. Alright. Let me see. Another number. We have a pair in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 7. 2 and a 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in this row, so no 2 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 and a 7 in the middle column, so no 2 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and a 7. That means we have 4 missing numbers, and one of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Those 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, 6 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We see here the 5 and the 6. 5 and the 6 in this column, so no 5 and the 6 in this box. The 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 9. Okay, 9. 9. 4, 4. Okay. Let me see. How about 6 in this row? 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So the row below, the third row, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And then 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Okay. In this big square, We have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in those two boxes. Here 6, no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those two boxes in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for a 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. Alright. 3 in this row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 2 missing numbers in the second row. Those numbers are the 1 and the 4. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1. Okay. Yeah. 5 in the last row, 5 in a row above. So in that row, the only place for a 5 should be there. Look, we have here 5 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. We have a 4 and a 7 in this big square, so no 4 and a 7 in those two boxes. So the 4 and the 7 goes in 2 of those 3 boxes. We see here 4 and a 7 also in this column, so no 4 and a 7 in this box. So the 4 and the 7 goes in these two boxes as a pair. Alright. 4 and a 7. 3 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing number is a 6 in this row. We see here 6, so no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for a 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Alright. 2 numbers missing in this row for the numbers 3 and 8. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in a row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 numbers missing in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright, so 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. You see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. I'm thinking. How about the 4 in the first row, the 4 in the second row. So on the third row, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 there, so this can't be 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 7. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So in the row between, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 4, alright. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for an 8 should be there. Then how about those two numbers in this big square? Those two missing numbers are the 2 and the 7. 2 and the 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. One number left in the last row for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. 1 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. 1 and 8. 1 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 there. Here an 8. No 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And now I can fill this digit. This should be in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Alright. 2 missing numbers now. Those missing numbers are the 5 is missing and then 1 is missing. We see here a 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. We have a 2 in one of those two boxes, so in the first row, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 7, and this should be a 2. One box left in this row for the number 7, third row. Those two missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in the first column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Alright. 1 number left in this column for the number 7. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 7. Alright. So, and now, 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers 5 and 5 and 2. 5 and 2, I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. How about those two numbers in this column? The 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes and there. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 number left in the middle column for the number 5, I believe. Yes, 5 is missing in the middle column. Now we have a 5 there, so this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be a 5, and this should be a 2. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place for a 5 should be there. 2 numbers missing in this big square, the 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 there, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be an 8, and this should be a 2. One number left in this row for the number 8. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this 3 Stars Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few minutes with the second Sudoku, and this will be the Sudoku with 4 stars. So see you later. Bye bye for now. Yes.